Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update the YouTube app, and now let's dive right in. Now to update the YouTube app on our phone, we'll be required to open the Play Store of our phone and not the YouTube app itself. So open the Play Store, and on this interface guys, at the top of the screen you can see there's a search bar available for us. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for YouTube over here. And over here guys, you can see the YouTube option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and you can see guys, currently the open and the uninstall button are available for us. Now in case there was an update button instead of the open button over here, then there was an update for a YouTube and we will be required to update the YouTube app. But in my case, on my phone guys, the YouTube app is up to date and the open button is here, so I'll not be required to update it. But in your case, if the YouTube app requires an update, tap on the update button which appears instead of the open button over here, and the YouTube app will be updated on your phone. And that being said guys, this is how to update the YouTube app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.